Thanks for joining us for this how to receive your sketch order video. Katrina, what is this email that you have here in front of you?
Yes, this is what you will see when you receive your sketch order. So we'll notify you via email, and we're going to walk you through how to receive this order.
Absolutely, and the best place to receive and view your sketch order is our new web application. So that's app.roofsnap.com, which we're going to just click over to this tab here. And Katrina placed this order and also set herself to receive the order. If you're an admin, you can request orders through SketchOS and have them uploaded to any of the other users within your organization. So what we're going to do, the project was just a sample SketchOS project, and you can see it's not here in our projects list at the moment. So I'm just going to navigate my little mouse up here to the refresh button in my browser and click on that. Now it is going to show me projects from all of my users, so I'm going to refilter down to the bottom where Katrina is. And that sample SketchOS order that she just received is now here.
Okay.
So Katrina, what's like the first thing that a person should do when they've received a drawing from us through our SketchOS service?
Very good question. I would say click on the project and open up the different options here.
Okay, we'll go right into the project.
Yeah. And we can go into a number of different places, but we really want to have you open up the sketch and take a look at the actual measurements.
Absolutely. So when you click on the sketch button here, you will see the drawing that the sketch technician has created and uploaded into your account with all of the pitch values and of course just the standard line labels. Now, chances are we nailed the pitch. But if there was tree coverage or any issue that may have caused some question as to what the pitch is of different areas of the roof, you may need to go in and modify pitch on different slopes, and you can do that by selecting pitch here on the bottom, or excuse me, on the right side of the screen. And then of course, if you're doing an on-site inspection, you may want to add some pins. Pins are going to allow you to put different inspection type elements on the roof. So for example, if there's been some hail damage, you can highlight that pin and drop it on the roof, showing where that hail damage may have occurred, or a leak, or any other sort of inspection image. You can also add accessories like plumbing boots. Let's put one plumbing boot over here. Make it quick. We know you guys don't have a lot of time. And then let's grab a hat vent or two and drop a couple, box vents on the roof.
Perfect.
Now, additionally, we've already labeled the edge types, eaves, rakes, ridges, and so forth. But if you're using RoofSnap for estimating, you may also want to put some ice and water shield in the valleys, or some drip edge along the eave edges. So let's just go ahead and add some ice and water shield to the valleys. And you'll see the little ice word will show up in the valleys themselves. And you can add step flashing along the steps and apron metals along the wall, whatever you need for the estimate that you're creating. And once you've made all those decisions, go ahead and click on the Done button. That's going to save the project and bring you back out to the main project screen. There's two other things, Katrina, that I recommend that we go in and have them look at real quick. One's going to be on the Measurements tab.
Wonderful.
We want to show them that they can adjust the waste percentage.
Absolutely.
So we're going to have a sort of default waste percentage of, it's typically somewhere right around 10%. We do have a calculator for that, but you can modify it up or down as you need.
Absolutely. And just hit that save icon.
Yep, save icon in the upper right. And then navigate back out using the breadcrumb to go back out to the project. You may also want to hop into the notes. Now, that email does include the notes with regard to the project, but they're also in here under general notes. You'll be able to review any issue that the sketch tech may have had if they did experience some heavy tree coverage, with too much leaves to peer through and they weren't sure about maybe a bay window or a dormer. They're going to include those in the general notes that you'll be able to view here. Now, if you have any other questions, feel free to reply to the email that we sent you from orders@roofsnap.com, or of course you can always call us. Katrina, what's that number?
877-766-3762.
Excellent. And last but not least, you're definitely going to want to navigate back to the documents. The most important part of the measurements is the sketch report that you can create in order to share those measurements with your colleagues, with your production people, with maybe an insurance adjuster, whomever needs a copy of these measurements. The quick and easiest way to share that with them is to email them out a PDF copy of the sketch report.
Absolutely.
We'll see that we have the sketchreport.pdf. Just click on it to open it up in a new window, and all of your measurements and details will be here in this document.
Wonderful.
All right, guys, thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you soon.
See ya.